So essentially, the question then boils down to is that how do you become a job ready programmer right now if you're in college? Let's say in your first, second year.
So again, there are two parts to it. The first one is job ready by system, which is like how system expects you to, especially if you're in India. And the second one is
Right.
job ready on your own, right? So when I say system, what I mean is that following the senior advice or following what other people have been telling you to do. That is mostly solve so many DSA problems, get a high rating, high ranking on
Right.
these competitive coding websites, and then maybe try to get a referral in Amazon, this, that, all these companies. Once you clear the DSA round, even if you get a job, you would pretty much be working on the same things which I will tell in the for the second thing, for the second way to get job ready. The second way to get job ready is to actually focus on your real world skills. This starts with what do you like the most, and I'll stick with web development mostly because I have the most experience in that. But there are fields like mobile application development. There are fields like AI, ML, data science. Whatever you like working, get really good at it, like super good at it, so that people recognize the talent you have. And then all you have to do, again, this is working out of the system, so there is no college or anything. All you have to do is just sit down, take a look at all the funded companies. That is where I would start. Don't start with non-funded companies just yet. If you're applying somewhere, if you're good enough, sit down, take a look at all the funded companies, maybe pre-seed, seed, series A companies. Look at what they do, look at what these companies are doing, who, what product they are building, who are they building for, and try to understand if you like the company. Because imagine from a point that you will get this job, right? If you are, I'm assuming that you are
Right.
really good, you have spent like months of time to getting to a good position. Now try to understand, do you want to work with this company, or do you want to, just create a 5, 10, 15 company shortlist. Then go to Twitter or go to LinkedIn, or any of these websites where the founders or the executives or decision makers of these companies are active. Then approach them not with your resume, because that is like saying, hey, I exist, just see my resume and try to give me a
Yeah.
job if you can. Approach them from a point of view where you are helping them in the first place. So something which I would like personally is that somebody DMing me or emailing me saying that, okay, here are three problems which I found, which are like, serious problems on the Code Dams website. And here is what I would do in a way to fix it for you, or, just give me, because of course they don't have our code base access or anything. But immediately I saw the value in the email. And then they attach, hey, I'm also looking for an internship in the coming month or so. um, uh, is there any sort of opportunity available for me? It's an email or it's a DM. I would most certainly reply in a more positive way compared to somebody just sending me their resume that I have worked on this,
Right.
that technology, because you have immediately made it personalized. I knew like you spend 10, 15, 20, 30, whatever amount of minutes figuring out what we do, figuring out this problem, okay, is something which is impactful for us. That just shows that you are dedicated. And I I mean, I'm pretty positive like founders like me and other founders in the space are really looking for people who are passionate and who are, not just good developers, but also care about what we are building. So that would, if not a job, that would most definitely get you a call or an interview with the
Right.
top person in the team. And that's like the best chance for you to get that particular opportunity.